Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to use Spotify Jam. So this is the new feature on the Spotify. To use this feature, first of all, you have to open your Play Store, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's continue the video. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the Spotify, and once you will do it, after that you have to update your Spotify application to use the Spotify Jam. Once you will update your application, go back and open your Spotify, and to use this, make sure you are using the premium version of the Spotify. If you don't have the premium version of the Spotify, simply purchase it. After that, you have to open the your library, and in your library you have to open any of your playlist, and here you can find a speaker button or three dot icon. Simply you have to tap on it, and once you will do it, you can easily use Spotify Jam from here. So right now this feature is not available in my country. Also, I don't have premium right now. So this is the process to use Spotify Jam. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.